Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin your reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, let's start your reading. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Scorpio, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, lot of regret, lot of sorrow, lot of reminiscing. Somebody is not very happy. Somebody wants to return. And lots of confusion. Oh God. But somebody is losing hope now. See, look at the stress and tension, my God. Overall energy is the Nine of Swords, which is sleepless nights, thinking, worrying, looking at the past, feeling unloved, feeling unhappy. But center of my spread is the Six of Cups, which means somebody from your past wants to return. Maybe they want to go back to the way things used to be, or they want it to happen. Maybe they have their eye on this Queen of Wands here. But maybe somebody has kind of in the past not behaved well, and they're not sure now whether this Queen will have them back. So they're going back and forth in their mind, not being able to make a decision, not knowing which direction to take, kind of losing hope here, Scorpio. Let me take some dialogue message cards between the two of you. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Scorpio and their person, spirit. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Okay. And it's two of you from here, Scorpio. Scorpio and their person, if they could say something to each other. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person, spirit. Thank you. Take a couple more from here and then we'll begin your reading. And if you're looking for a personal reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the first card I have here, Scorpio, says, I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel so I don't think I'm going effing crazy. Somebody feels their person has already left them and gone off with somebody else. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul because that's where you are. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. You changed. You were keeping secrets from me. One minute we were talking like best friends. But then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. Like I said, somebody is really missing and feeling bad about how things turned out. I get so frustrated by the intense telepathy, the dreams, and the strong sexual energy, even though I'm alone. Your hunger and desire for me has me burning up, but you're nowhere to be found. The passion is an all-consuming, inextinguishable fire, and it's driving me crazy. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I told you, somebody is really regretful now. Okay, they know they've misbehaved. They've maybe been an emotional manipulator. They've been harsh. They've been rude. They've been mean. And I don't think they are very proud of their own past actions now. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions, I can't face you right now because of the hurt I've caused you. Can you ever forgive me? I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. All right, Scorpio, if these cards are resonating with somebody in your life or your story, let's start your reading. And I'm going to start with an angel blessing card here to see what my angels have to say to you with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, speak your truth. It's time to open up and share and speak your truth. Good, bad, ugly, bring it on the table and see where you can go from there. Okay? It's better to be honest and open than keep things buried in your heart because that hurts. All right, so who's this Five of Cups, Spirit? What's this Five of Cups? What's this Five of Cups? Oh, somebody has a lot of regret and sorrow that they were given an opportunity maybe for having a very stable life or a stable home, and that came crashing down. It really didn't work out, and they are very, very sorrowful, regretful, guilty, everything about how things never turned out the way they should have. King of Cups in reverse. King of Cups in reverse. King of Cups in reverse. This person had everything. They had happiness, they had love, but they misused, I think, this love, and they emotionally kept their partner emotionally manipulated, or they hurt their partner. They could have been rude, mean, even though I think the universe gifted them with everything, with a full cup of love, with all the happiness in the world. But because of, I think, their own behavior of being like this, they destroyed everything here. Things really came to an end. Now the sun is in reverse. Why is the sun in reverse now, Spirit? Okay, let's take one card on the King of Swords as well. King of Swords. What happened here, Spirit? King of Swords. King of Swords. This person never put in the work. Yes, this person never put in the work when the opportunity was there to make things right? All the tools were available for them. All the makings of security, happiness was there, but this person never really put in the work. I think they got dropped. They got dropped, and somebody left all this trouble behind and moved on to maybe a calmer, peaceful, happy place for themselves. This could be this Queen of Wands. So now there's no sunshine when she's gone. The sun in reverse, Spirit. Sun in reverse. Sun in reverse. Yeah, somebody stopped fighting for this connection completely. Sun in reverse. Sun in reverse. Such bad memories created. I mean, all this thing was available to this person, and they kind of created bad memories. Now this person is not happy being alone, not happy being single, wants to end the fight now, but now they're worried that things may not come back into balance now because of all the bad memories that have been created. Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Yes, somebody is very depressed here, very, very depressed, not feeling dropped, feeling there is no balance left anymore. They're feeling things have come to a total stagnancy. They would love it if they could return back to the way things were, but I don't think they are hopeful. Queen of Wands, Spirit. Queen of Wands, what do you want to say to us here? Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands says, yes, I agree. This was a soulmate connection. We were maybe happy together, and we were meant to be, and we were meant to be forever and ever. But in this relationship, somebody made some very unwise decisions. They never respected what we had. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, the Queen of Swords. They're saying after all these secrets came out of all their bad behavior, they felt totally sad and rejected and neglected all the time, and feeling that if they were emotionally drained out, there was no emotional happiness. So what's this Two of Pentacles now, Spirit? Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Somebody still has a lot of passion. They are wondering now how to come forward, maybe make a offer of maybe commitment or recommitment, or how to bring this Queen of Wands back possibly. But I think this Queen of Wands has her swords up now, blindfolded to even the fact. Yes, I think this Queen of Cups has lost their love, feeling totally drained out. Feeling totally drained out and totally blocked off. Look at the heart chakra here, the two swords in front of this heart now, and saying, I don't want to see your offer. I'm totally drained out. Don't come towards me. This is that Queen of Cups who's been depleted of all her energy from this connection. So as much as I think this person is trying to figure out a way to bring some excitement back, or come back and maybe offer something. So Star in reverse, Spirit. Star in reverse. Star in reverse. Somebody may not like it that they are... Oh, Star in reverse is clarified by the Star in reverse. What more can I say to this reading? And this may come as a Tower moment to somebody here who is feeling, I think, rather ashamed and embarrassed of their own behavior now, and maybe also realizing that there is a lot of competition maybe around this Queen of Wands, and I think they'll probably sooner or later have to give up. Yes, this connection has already halted from what I feel. It's not making this person happy at all. This is lack of wish fulfillment. All three cards are signifying the same thing. This is wish fulfillment, it's in reverse. Wish fulfillment, it's in reverse. All three cards, wish fulfillment in reverse. So this person, I don't know. Nine of Swords, Spirit. Nine of Swords. Why was this the overall energy? Yes, they're not going to get a second chance from what I feel. They feel they've lost their chance. They will never be given a re-beginning, a restart to having their Ten of Pentacles once again, at least not with this person. At least for now. I mean, these energies are ever changing, Scorpio. Don't lose hope. But at the moment, this Queen of Wands, I don't think is strong enough to have a go around. I don't think so. They may refuse, or they may not even accept. And that's going to give this other person a lot of sleepless nights and tension and stress. That, they had a chance. They had a chance to have this Four of Wands and they blew it. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.